Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken on the stove. First, select your chicken, like boneless, skinless breasts or thighs. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice sear. Season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. If your chicken pieces are thick, pound them to an even 3/4 inch thickness for consistent cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your seasoned chicken into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Sear each side for about 5 to 7 minutes until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. Remember to check for an internal temperature of 165 degrees F for perfect doneness. To elevate your dish, consider adding more flavor. After searing, you can deglaze the pan with a splash of broth or white wine to create a simple, delicious sauce. For extra aroma, toss in some minced garlic or fresh herbs during the last minute of cooking. If you're using a sauce, simmer the chicken in it for 5 to 10 minutes. Always rest your cooked chicken for 5 minutes before slicing. This keeps it wonderfully juicy. Your perfectly cooked chicken is ready to enjoy. For the most tender bites, slice your chicken against the grain. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as a crisp green salad or some vibrant steamed vegetables. You can also serve it alongside fluffy rice, your favorite pasta, or creamy mashed potatoes for a satisfying meal. A simple garnish of fresh parsley or a lemon wedge adds a lovely finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.